I'm about to show you how to create a digital product in less than 60 seconds. And the best part is you won't need any technical skills or experience. This is completely done through artificial intelligence. Welcome back to my channel where we teach you the latest AI trends and make money online. Today I am going to teach you how to take advantage of the AI revolution and make a fortune. You heard me right. This isn't some clickbait. This is real. I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me when I say this. AI is the biggest opportunity of our generation, and the earlier you get involved in it, the better. If you're looking for ways to increase your income, look no further. So keep watching. First, let's take a moment to think about what we've seen recently. Everyone around us uses smart assistants, self-driving cars, personalized recommendations. These technologies have become part of our daily lives, and their popularity is growing every day. This is because they're convenient, efficient, and accurate. We live in an age where everything is data-driven. AI technology allows businesses to collect and analyze huge amounts of data quickly and efficiently, which gives them the insights they need to make better decisions. This means that companies can optimize their processes, develop new products and services, improve customer experiences, and stay ahead of the competition. In simple terms, AI is everywhere, and it's only getting bigger. It's transforming the way we live, work, and play. And the most exciting thing about it all is that you can be part of this technological revolution and make money doing it. You heard that right. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality. So how can you take advantage of the AI boom? Well, it starts with staying informed. So please subscribe to our channel where we'll teach you everything you need to know about the latest AI trends and how to make money online. So stay tuned. Now that you know how big this opportunity is, it's time to start taking action. Now the question is, how do you actually use AI to make money? Well, it's easier than you might think. Let's get into it. To really understand how to use AI to make money, you need to first learn how to choose a model that works for you. It's important to find a balance between your interests, skills, and the current market demand. Don't worry, I'm here to help you out. Now let's talk about some options. First, we have AI-powered YouTube automation. Yes, you heard that right. AI can create full YouTube videos without any filming or voiceover work required, thanks to tools like Pictory AI and 11 Labs. Anyone can create professional-looking videos in just a few minutes. This is how it works. Just pick a niche you want to focus on, like finance, tech, or motivation. Then use ChatGPT to write a script for your video. Once that's done, head over to 11 Labs and use their AI-powered voice generator to create a realistic-sounding voiceover. Next, you'll want to create some visuals for your video. You can do this by using Pictory AI or Runwaymo. Both are great tools that can generate visuals based on your script. Once you've generated your visuals, you're ready to create your video. All you have to do is upload your script, voiceover, and visuals to a video editor, and voila, you have your very own video. But wait, there's more. You can also add music and sound effects to your video using Artlist or Epidemic Sound. Finally, you can upload your video to YouTube and start monetizing it. The best part is that faceless YouTube channels are making 6 figures per month using this method. The next option is creating AI-generated digital products. With this model, you can create digital products like ebooks, courses, and templates and sell them online. To get started, just use ChatGPT to generate the content for your product. Then use Canvas AI to design it, and finally list it on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Now, let me tell you a success story. A digital marketer used this method to create an entire course in just 3 days and made $50,000 in sales. Imagine that. Now let's talk about the third option, AI-powered freelancing and automation. With this model, you can offer AI-powered services like video editing, content writing, and graphic design. You can find clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Paperback. To get started, use AI to generate content using tools like Jasper AI or Copy AI. Then offer your services on freelance platforms in high-demand areas like SEO, social media, and design. Deliver AI-generated work to your clients and get paid. The best part is that businesses are willing to pay top dollar for AI-powered services. Now that you know the different models, it's time to choose one that suits you best. Whichever model you choose, remember to stay updated with the latest AI trends and tools. Who knows, you might just be the next big thing in the world of AI. Now that you've chosen your AI business model, it's time to dive in and get started. But before we move on, I want to remind you that the key to success is learning and adapting. Be prepared to experiment with different strategies and tools to find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek help when you need it. Remember that building a successful business takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent and you'll eventually reach your goals. Now let's get into it. The first step is to learn how to use ChatGPT. OpenAI's ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you generate ideas, write copy, and even create templates. It's a great tool for any AI entrepreneur. To get started, simply visit the website and sign up for an account. Once you've signed in, you can start chatting with the bot and asking it questions or giving it prompts to generate responses. For example, you could ask it to write a blog post about AI or to create a template for an email marketing campaign. The possibilities are really endless, so take some time to explore ChatGPT and see how it can help you with your AI business. Next, it's time to learn how to use Canvas AI. Canvas AI is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes such as designing marketing materials, creating templates, and generating images. To get started, simply visit the website and sign up for an account. Once you've signed in, you can start using the tool's various features, such as its text-to-image generator, its document editor, and its logo maker. For example, you could use its text-to-image generator to create an image for your new AI business or use its document editor to create a template for your clients. The best part about Canvas AI is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to use even for beginners. Finally, it's time to learn how to use Midjourney. Midjourney is a text-to-image AI that generates images from any text input. To get started, visit the website and sign up for an account. Once you've signed in, you can start using the tool by typing in any text prompt. For example, you could type in AI entrepreneur and Midjourney will generate an image based on that prompt. You can then download the image and use it for your AI business. Midjourney also has a variety of different models that you can choose from, such as realistic, fantasy, and abstract, so have fun experimenting with different prompts and models to see what kind of images you can create. And there you have it. You now know the basics of how to use ChatGPT, Canvas AI, and Midjourney. Start your AI journey today and see where it takes you. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more AI tips. Good luck and happy AIing!